and welcome back to Room for Improvement, a channel dedicated to sharing our family's favorite tips, tricks, DIYs, and favorite products. Today we're going to do another room tour. Since we've already done our little boys' room, I thought today would be a good day to do our older boys' room. Something special about this room, as I will show you in a second, is this bed. It means the world to me that my husband worked day and night for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, building our boys these dream bunk beds that no one else in the world has. So they have a Marvel superhero theme going on. I really don't like characters, but thanks to Pottery Barn, we were able to get bedding that did not scream characters, still looked sophisticated, and still looked like a little boy's room. These are the bunk beds that Brandon made. I really like industrial piping, so he worked his butt off to make these beds out of industrial piping and just wood. So what we did, because this room is very odd, there isn't a single full wall that you can work with. So we had to make an L shape to help save space. And then I'll show you the under, which is, the underside is my boys' favorite part because they like to play monkey bars right there. And then a close-up of the Pottery Barn Marvel bedding. Okay. Now this dresser is actually really special to me. I originally painted it orange when Cullen first came to live with our family 6 years ago. But when we changed the theme of the room, we just decided to sand it and then paint it this awesome green color. We call it the Hulk Smash Green. Alright, now moving away from the bed, like I said, there's really no workable walls. So here's the closet. And it was super hard to figure out a way to have toy storage and a closet. So what we did was we actually took the doors out and had an open closet. We found out that this actually works better because our boys keep it cleaner because we can check on it. Someday we'll actually redo that dresser. And then just a bunch of cute little artwork that I got when Aaron Brothers was going out of business. And then that one's from Hobby Lobby. Okay, now my favorite part of the room. These tall metal locker type storage is actually from Pottery Barn. And then the toy storage is from IKEA. I love it because we have Legos, Magnetiles, cars, toy guns, like it stores it all without the clutter. And then my boys love dress up. They actually love dressing up more than my girls. So all of these little green and blue bins on this side are actually just filled with all their dress up and then their underwear drawers. And then on this side is just some miscellaneous books and toys. And then their hat drawers. Artwork, Hobby Lobby. There's normally the laundry basket right there, but I moved it out. This is the door to the Jack and Jill bathroom that separates our big boys from our little boys. And then, oh cute, a little drawing from Cullen. So I ended up painting this chalkboard in case the boys wanted to write on it. Normally they just scribble a bunch of nonsense, but it's still fun. They love it. Now if you're thinking, you're Miss Thrifty, all you do is thrift store shop, you save money, yet you've said Pottery Barn. Let me explain that. I love Pottery Barn. It is probably my favorite brand of all. I could have my entire house Pottery Barn. So what I did, especially when it came to the bedding, is I just waited for it to go on sale. And then with my luck, it actually went to the outlet. So we went to the outlet and then we went on Black Friday last year. So the entire store was 50% off. So I believe these quilts were almost $200 a piece when they first came out, and I got them for $75 each. And then instead of buying the Pottery Barn sheets for $80 a piece, I just went online and found some cheap character ones that looked very similar to the Pottery Barn ones. I got them from bedbathandbeyond.com. And then the awesome locker style metal bookshelves from Pottery Barn were actually originally $600 a piece. And again, I waited. I loved them. But I just waited, and then they went to the outlet as well. And once they went to the outlet, again, I waited for a 50% off sale day. and I ended up spending $174 a piece. All the Pottery Barn stuff together probably would have been almost $1,000, and I ended up only spending $174 times 2 and $75 times 2. The other thing I did was the toy storage used to be in our nursery back in the day, and then it was in our living room, then it was in our garage, and so I finally found a place that worked right here, and so I just reused that. I didn't have to buy any toy storage, and same with that dresser, I just reused what I had. So when I did the boys' makeover a year ago, it cost us probably about $500 for all the furniture, a few new bins, all the bedding. And then when Brandon built this bed, he built it about 4 years ago when one of our favorite foster kids lived with us, and the boys were only a year apart, so it was then a 6 and 7-year-old sharing a room. And so I want to say with all the materials it was close to $300, but that was still drastically cheaper than buying a bunk bed from Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel. So that is our boys' room tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below and we will see you in our next video. Thank you.